Okay, your question number 1 is name the 5 important factors that determine the climate of a place. In this answer, you have to mention the factors that determine the climate of a place. यानी किस बातों पर climate एक जगह का depend करता है. तो 5 factors हैं. फर्स्ट फैक्टर है लैटिट्यूड, सेकेंड है एल्टीट्यूड. लैटिट्यूड मतलब हमने देखा था डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द इक्वेटर एंड अल्टीट्यूड इज द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सी लेवल. थर्ड है डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सी एंड डी विंड्स एंड डायरेक्शन ऑफ विंड्स. तो मतलब डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम सी के कितने पास है एरिया उस पर डिपेंड करता है क्लाइमेट. फिर विंड्स हवा एंड दी डायरेक्शन ऑफ विंड्स यानी वो हवा किस जगह से ओरिजिनेट हो रही है उस पर भी डिपेंड करता है. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, हाउ डज अल्टीट्यूड एंड बी altitude affects the climate of a place. In this answer you have to describe how this altitude and latitude affects the climate. Okay, so altitude, the earth's surface is heated by the rays of sun. You know that when the sun rays hits the surface it gets heated, and the places that are located on or near the equator receives the direct rays. So the places that are nearer to equator receives direct rays, and the one that is nearer to the poles receive slanting rays. So the slanting rays has to travel through greater distance, and by that traveling time they lose the heat, so they are less hot than the one that directly falls on the equator. So the places that are closer to equator are hotter compared to the places that are closer to poles. So that is how latitude affects the climate. Now we will see about altitude. So the atmosphere is heated by the hot surface of the earth. We know that the earth's surface is heated by the sun rays which heated up the atmosphere. So what happens, the places which are at a higher altitudes means mountain areas, top mountains receives less heat from the places which are at the lower altitudes. That is why the hill station have a cooler climate compared to one at the plains. The flat surface areas will receive direct rays, so they will be hotter compared to the places on the hill station. The higher the altitude, the cooler the place will be. So now you know how altitude affects the climate. Third question is, how do winds affect the climate of a place? So in this answer you have to describe how winds affects the climate of a place. So winds have a great effect on the climate of a place. Depending on where they come from, they may be cool, hot, dry or full of moisture. Means how wind affects the climate, it depends on from where they are coming. They might be coming from the cool area, then the place will become cool. But if the winds are coming from hotter areas, then the wind that are coming will be also hot. So one example you can say that when the winds blows from desert area, the winds will be hot and dry, and they will make the place also hot. But at the same time, if the wind is blowing from sea, then the wind would be cold and contains moisture that will make the place cold. So cold winds blowing from a snowy region can make the climate very cold. So this way they affects the climate. Now question number 4, how does the climate of a place affect the people living there? In this answer you have to say about how this climate affects the people living there. Means if there is a cool climate, then people will wear dresses that will make them warm. So how this happens, how climate of a place affects the people living? that you have to specify in this answer. So climate affects our way of life, right? So people living in the cold climate wears woolen clothes and live in houses with wooden flooring and eat foods that are rich in protein and fats, while the people living in hot areas wear cold cotton clothes, eat easily digestible foods like cold coconut water and buttermilk, and live in houses which protect them from the hot rays of the sun. So here it is showing that the people living in the cold areas will have to protect themselves from the cold. So they will wear woolen clothes and they will live in houses with wooden flooring and eat the food that is rich in protein and fats. But the people who live in the hot areas will prefer wearing cotton clothes and love to eat food that is easily digestible, like they will drink coconut water and buttermilk to make their body cool, and will live in the houses that will protect them from the hot rays of the sun. So I hope you are getting my point about how these 5 factors affect the earth, and we have also seen about weather and climates and how people live in such areas. So our lesson number 3 comes to an end here. You have to complete your notebook. PDF I will send it in the group. Thank you.